Spencer,
What?
come to bed, baby.
I'm not tired. Maybe I'll go out for a few minutes, just to get a breath of fresh air.
Do you want me to come with you?
No. I'll go by myself.
He was born of cold steel, between the hammer and the anvil. Fire never warmed him, fate never warned him it would be so hard. So he poured whiskey in the furnace to keep the wolves at bay, and he doused scotch among the embers. You keep your loneliness.
This is a hold on. I want 2 bottles of J and B.
Hey, take it all. It's all I got. Money's a slow neck.
I don't want your money. I want 2 bottles of J and B now.
You got it.
We taught his children what to do, and they learned their lessons well.
Thank you. Bye.
The green was red and yellow blue, and it taught them love would come to those
Way to go, buddy!
who embraced the thorns and forgot the rose.
Is that you, hon?
Yeah.
Because he was born of cold steel, between the hammer and the anvil. But fire never warmed him, fate never warned him it would be.
So where did you go?
I went to the liquor store and got us some whiskey.